What's your plan for the future? Retirement? Handing the reins over to a son or daughter? Do you have an exit plan in place today to ensure you have a successful tomorrow? As soon as you opened your business, plans should be in place for a smooth and efficient handoff or a profitable sale of your shop. Having a proper exit plan in place is one of the most consequential actions you need to take today. Let Drive help you get this in place now. Drive will analyze where your shop is now and guide you on what needs to happen to achieve a great next chapter in your life. As part of this program, we will dig into: is your shop turnkey? Meaning, do you need to come in every day to ensure things are running smoothly? Have you researched what a well-run shop should sell for in your area? Are you taking home at least 20% of the gross sales now? And if not, why? How soon are you looking to exit? If you're thinking of handing off to a family member, what discussions have taken place? And does your crew know? These are just a few of the crucial questions that will be addressed. Don't worry if these issues haven't been figured out just yet. Drive will be with you every step of the way. From when you want to change your game, pursue another passion, travel, open another business, or simply spend more time with your family. Hear what this Drive client says about why following the advice of Drive has now resulted in a plan for their future.
You don't have a plan, well, you don't know where you're going, right? So it was very important that they actually pushed us to make that exit plan.
Contact Drive today, and together, we will ensure you have a rewarding future. Drive, celebrating 30 years of helping shop owners just like you.